Hey everyone, this is Wheels Kitchen Tutorials back here live from the Super Bowl. This is my type of Super Bowl, if you know what I meant. Well, today I cannot really be cooking for y'all today because we are at the Super Bowl, but I can sure show you how to eat. This here chicken wing is a chicken wing. Now you see, Wheels Eating Tutorials is a new thing on my channel where I will teach you how to eat. So, au revoir. Mmm. 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 One chicken wing down. Man, I need to wash this down. Mmm. I love ketchup. I love it. This is the only doctor I go to. Well, this has been Will's Kitchen Tutorials from the Super Bowl. Go Niners, and if you don't win, I'll disown you. Signing off. Goodbye, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment.